I'm shooting with natural daylight, so it's gonna look a little lighter, but yeah, I think it looks nice. Again, my cat's here, she might take a sip. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we are doing one of the pre-made Old Fashions that you can drink from home. These are some of my favorite episodes, especially because there's more and more brands that are coming out with these pre-made cocktails, whether it's an Old Fashioned or Manhattan. They're becoming more and more popular, and every time I find one, I always pick them up to do an Old Fashioned Friday review. This week we have 1792, pre-made Old Fashioned from 1792, made with 1792 bourbon. Very well-known bourbon, very respected bourbon. I'm super excited about this. We have a 375 milliliter bottle and a 200 milliliter bottle. Obviously, the 375 is a little fancier. They're both glass bottles, which is super cool. Price point, $10 for this. This was $5. It's actually a better deal to get two of these because then you get 400 milliliters for 10 bucks instead of 375 milliliters for $10. Little hack. I'm gonna review this one in this bottle because I like the bottle better. Again, said it's made with the 1792 bourbon, bitters, and artificial colors. Not a huge fan of the artificial colors, but we'll see how it is. It's a 70 proof, which means it's 35% alcohol. They're mixing the best spirits and ingredients to deliver a simple, well-balanced cocktail with every sip. We'll see if that's true. I found this in Kentucky. They actually have a bunch of 1792 pre-made cocktails in Virginia ABC stores. I've seen in Manhattan. I've seen like 2 or 3 other kinds, but I've never seen the Old Fashioned. So for whatever reason, maybe you can get them in Virginia ABC stores. For whatever reason, I've never seen them in Virginia. Without further ado, let's get into this. That's my cat. Okay. Lily might do a little test too. So you guys can see what that looks like there. Color looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that looks solid. I mean, yeah. I'm shooting with natural daylight, so it's gonna look a little lighter, but yeah, I think it looks nice. Again, my cat's here, she might take a sip. You guys know how this works. On the pre-made cocktails, we rate these off of 3 things. It's 0 through 2 on the appearance, which goes into the appearance, the packaging, and marketing. 0 through 4 on first sip, 0 through 4 on the overall experience and taste of the entire cocktail. So off of the packaging alone, I think it's cool. I mean, glass bottles, they're both glass. Again, made with 1792 bourbon, which is very respected. Nice little label. It's nothing crazy. It's still super nice. Out of 2, I'm gonna go 1.8. We'll get into this first sip. Here we go. Wow. Okay. One of the smoothest pre-mades we've ever had. I was about to say there's no spice. Spice meaning, any kind of burn of the bourbon, but you do get a little after spice. I've experienced that with a few of the different pre-made Old Fashions where it goes down kind of smooth, and then a couple seconds later, you kind of feel it right here. You know what I mean? A little bit of spice and a little kick to it, but very good, very good. And again, we're talking about this is $10. Yeah, for 10 bucks, 375 milliliters, I mean, that's a steal of a deal. You're probably, if you get 6 Old Fashions out of this, that's less than $2 per Old Fashioned. So that's incredible. Off of first sip, I think it was one of the better tasting Old Fashioned premix that we've ever done over 2.5 years. There's still a little small burn to it in the aftertaste. I'm gonna go 3.5 and then we'll jump into this overall experience. Here we go. I'm using a giant cube of clarified ice so it doesn't, melt and ruin the flavor too much. Again, I'm not a fan of the artificial colors. I don't know what that is, but as far as a pre-made Old Fashioned that tastes like an Old Fashioned that you would get at the bar that's made correctly, out of all of them that we have done, I feel like this is the closest to that. Does that mean it tastes better than all the other pre-made Old Fashions? No, but it is the closest to an actual made Old Fashioned that we've done to date. There might be some other ones out there, which I actually bought some other pre-made Old Fashions while I was in Kentucky. That might get a little closer, who knows? But yeah, here we go. All right, we're gonna down this last sip and then we'll give you the overall. Also, I'm wearing the Old Fashioned King t-shirts. I'm wearing it backwards just because the back is a lot cooler and it says Old Fashioned King on it. If you're interested in an Old Fashioned King t-shirt, hit me up, DM me, whatever, we'll get you covered. Here we go. It's very clean, man. I'm incredibly surprised. I'm actually gonna raise my overall experience score just because I'm kind of in that much shock. Again, first sip, 3.5. I think once you get a little bit of dilution of the ice, that burn kind of goes away. Or maybe, you know, anytime you drink bourbon, especially neat, your second sip and third sip are gonna be a little bit different. They're gonna have a little bit different effect on the tongue, a little bit different effect when it goes down. So I'm gonna go 3.6, 8.9, 1792, old fashioned, $9.99 Virginia's for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.